Hello, my dear viewers, and today we will be discussing the odd-even function through the graph. Sometimes you have a question like, what is this function of this graph is even, odd, or neither? So that's what we'll be discussing today. Let me make it very simple to you. Watch this. We have some graphs and we will tell if it's odd, even, or neither. Look at the first graph. If it goes through 0 and 0, like over here the graph is going through 0 and 0, over here the graph is going through 0 and 0. And also if you divide this graph into two sections from here, from the origin point, and you rotate the left part here 180 degrees, then it comes right on the right side of the graph, so that means it's odd. So the first condition, it has to go through 0 and 0. Then the second part is rotate 180 degrees clockwise or counterclockwise, will be the same thing. So also, if you look at the other graph, or the second graph, if you rotate this part here 180 degrees, yes, it will be identical on the other graph, to the left side of this function. So that's an odd function. So these two graphs we have is odd function. Let's move to the next part. And the next part is how to find an even function. The even function, the y-axis must be working as a mirror. So it's a reflection. Look at here, this graph over here. Look at y-axis. Wow, it works as a perfect mirror. Look at this. This part is reflected across y-axis, so it's an even function. Look at the second graph we have. Over here, this is your y-axis. Yes, it works as a mirror. Look at this part and this part is a mirror. So that's why it's an even function. Let's see if it cannot be, if it's not an even or odd. First of all, does this graph go through 0 and 0? No. So that's not odd. Second of all, we can go through the y-axis and see if it's reflected or not. Exactly the same. No, it's not. So this is neither. Same thing here. First of all, check if it's going through 0 and 0, if it's odd or not. So it's not. Then you check if the y-axis works as a mirror for this line. No, it's not. So it's neither. So let's write again the answer of these graphs. The first one, it goes through 0 and 0, and we rotated it 180 degrees, and it was identical, so that's odd. This one is y-axis work as a mirror or a reflection line, so that's an even function. This one does not go through 0 and 0, and this one as well, and the y-axis is not working as a mirror, so that's neither. So neither function. Let me give you another graph and see if we can handle it, or you can handle it yourself. Here is the Cartesian plane. If I go like this, can you tell if it's even or odd? It's going through 0 and 0 over here. But if you rotate this line 180 degrees, it's not going to be exactly the same or identical to this part. So this is an even function. Very well. Let me give you another example. If you have a graph like this, even or odd, or neither. Look at this part. If you divide it into two parts and rotate it, it comes right on it. So that's an odd function. Okay, the last example. Here we go. If we have x and y axis, of course you know this is x and this is your y, and you get something like this. A function like that. It's going through 0 and 0, but if you rotate this part, it's not going to be identical to the right side of the function. So this is not odd and not even, so it's neither. I would like to thank you for watching, and I hope this lesson is helpful to you. See you again.